First dates are nerve-wracking. Want to leave a lasting impression? Here's what really matters. Welcome back to the comeback community. Impressing someone on a first date isn't about flashy moves or big gestures. It's about connection, authenticity, and showing genuine interest. Here are 5 key ways to make sure your first date leaves a positive impression. 1. Be yourself. Authenticity is one of the most attractive traits you can display on a first date. Trying too hard to impress often comes off as insincere. Being honest about who you are creates trust and sets the foundation for meaningful conversation. 2. Active listening. Make the date about getting to know her by asking thoughtful questions and genuinely listening to her responses. This shows that you value her thoughts and opinions, which is far more impactful than dominating the conversation. 3. Confidence, not arrogance. Confidence shows that you're comfortable in your own skin, but there's a fine line between confidence and arrogance. Be confident in what you bring to the table, but avoid boasting or trying to one-up her. Humility goes a long way. 4. Compliment wisely. While physical compliments can feel superficial, appreciating something deeper, like her humor, intelligence, or outlook on life, makes your praise stand out. Focus on attributes that reflect her character rather than appearance. 5. Respect boundaries. Pay close attention to her comfort level throughout the date. Whether it's physical space or personal questions, respecting her boundaries shows that you're considerate and trustworthy, key traits for building a connection. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to the Comeback community for more thought-provoking content.